This is King Mario here, and welcome to my channel, Side Hustle, how to make money online. Okay, and today I'm going to give you a easy way or a tip on how to create a website. Very easy, and it's all free. All you need is a Google account, and you're good to go. All right, so we're just going to jump into it. First, you click this icon here. Then you're going to scroll down to where you see it says more from Google. Once you're on this page, you're going to scroll straight down and you're going to search for sites. Google sites. There it is. You hit that right there. Once you're there, you just choose a template, and there are lots of templates there. You can choose from all of these templates, and they're all free. Okay, so we're just gonna choose any one for purpose of this video. Okay, event. All right, so we're loading, and voila, there you go. You have a website. It's so simple, so easy. It anyone can do this. Okay, so that's what your website would look like. All right, so you would give your website a name. You'd create drop downs for your website. You can change the theme of your website. You can add text, customize your page just the way you want to customize your page, and add images. You can use embed codes or URLs from other websites, links to your social media page, whatever you want to embed to your website. All of that is right here. Okay, and you have different filters for your page, different themes for your page. You can add table of content, image. You can put buttons. If you have a PayPal account and you want to integrate a PayPal button there, you can do that also. You can integrate your Stripe account to take payment, your checkout methods. It's very easy. You can put your YouTube videos there. That's one thing too. And you can put a calendar, maps, documents, slides, sheets, forms, charts, whatever. Okay, so it's very simple. And all you need to do after you're finished customizing your page, you hit this publish button there. Okay, to publish your website. But before you do that, you'd have to go into settings right here to set up a few things. Okay, most people, first thing you're going to think about is your domain name. Okay, whatever your website is called. So your domain would be www dot whatever your website is called .com. Okay, so you hit start setup there, and it would bring you right here. So if you buy your domain from Google Domains, you hit this option there. If you use a third party domain, you click that option right there. I'm just gonna hit the third party one just to show you what it looks like. Connect this site to a domain registered with a third party domain. Okay, so you hit next, and they'll ask you for the domain name right there. Okay, if you were using Google, you hit that, hit next, and they would put it to automatically put it there. So this is one domain I used to use a couple of years ago, uh, but I had to close that website down because of some difficulties and work. So That's it. That's it. You add your domain and